What up, man? It's your boy Big Cell FHOH and I see. It's Monday morning, weekend after the Super Bowl. There's been a lot of stuff that went on. Some good TV, some bad TV. Some of y'all probably upset about the Super Bowl. Really, I didn't care. Dallas Cowboys wasn't in it, so I really didn't even care to watch it or participate. So it really didn't matter to me. Whatever happened, happened, and that's it what it is. But today I got a special guest in the studio. I call it my studio wherever I'm at. If I'm on the toilet or at the bar, making my coffee, it's my studio. So I'm in the studio with my very special guest this morning, doing what we do, man. You know what I'm talking about? Sipping on that coffee, man. I'm going to introduce y'all to my mama, and y'all better understand, watch what you say. It's my mama, and I'm sensitive about my mama. You know what I'm saying? So here it is. We're going to bring y'all some inspiration, man. We're going to talk about it. Y'all know the number one rule, love yourself. Ain't nobody going to love you better than you. Just understand that. That's number one rule. And I'm going to let mama say some stuff, and we're going to just do what we do. Talk about it, mama.
Well, first of all, good morning, everybody. And this is the day the Lord has made. I shall rejoice and be glad in it. I'm just happy to see another day and be able to sit here with my son and just enjoy each other, just our time and our space, We was talking about the game yesterday, and everybody was wanted it to go a certain way, but, there's always unexpected things happening in our life. And sometimes we just have to adjust to the unexpected. So, when the things don't go the way you want them to go, just expect them to go the unexpected way. Adjust to that way. Keep it moving because there's nothing you can do about it. It's done.
So it's almost like if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready.
Somewhat. Stay ready for anything to happen. Anything, anybody. People come in our life and we think they're going to be there forever and they're gone. We want somebody to be in our life. They don't want to be in there. So, but if you have yourself and you love yourself, as you said earlier, then it doesn't matter if somebody else is there because you always have you. If you always keep you first, but keep God first and keep you there, things will go according to the way they're supposed to go because everybody has a destination, everybody has a purpose. So sometimes the purpose is not for that team to win yesterday. That wasn't their purpose.
Which we don't really care who won because the Super Bowl was that Cowboys wasn't in it, mama. So really, it don't even matter.
But they wasn't gonna be in it no way.
Hold on, man. So see how quick she turned on me, boy. Hey, man, it's wicked right here. Look at man. Cowboys is there, man.
If they would stop cheerleading and play a game sometime, then they may get to the Super Bowl.
Anyway,
but, when you're cheerleading and you ain't playing ball, I mean, what you expect?
Look here, babe. We gonna get off my Cowboys. All right, now, your son being in Big Cell FHOH and I see. What is it? How do you deal with that? What is it like being with me on a regular daily basis? It's
just like being with you unexpectedly. I don't ever know what to expect from you at any given time. So I'm just always prepared.
But that's how you raised me, though. That's how your dad raised me, to be free and to live life and just...
Yeah, but sometimes your behind is too free.
Oh, that's what it is? My behind too free?
Yeah, sometimes your behind is too free.
I mean...
And you know what I mean. But being my son is one of the pleasures of my life. Because like I said, you keep me on my toes because I never know what to expect. So I always expect the unexpected with you. And when you do things that I don't think that you should do and you do it, it's just like, okay, well, that's just part of the life.
Part of the life.
Yeah, that's just part of life. So. I don't let nobody else's life change mine. I am who I am, okay? Because I love me and I love me the way that I am. So whatever anybody else do, that's their life. That's what they want to do. And I've always been like that. Even in school, before they talk about designated drivers, I was a designated driver back in high school because I don't drink, I don't smoke, and I don't do all those things. But that was my choice, okay?
A lot of people probably don't know this. They don't even know that I don't drink or smoke.
You don't. Yeah. And the little time you do drink, they can tell.
Yeah, they can
you
tell.
Don't drink.
But every time that you guys, if I ever drunk, like the one video I did that on purpose. That was just to have fun and do some stuff. But I don't drink. I don't smoke. My high is HD, Harley Davidson motorcycle, which my mom, she's getting to the point where she can't even stand that word sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, you got your HD is not my HD word.
I'm going to make my coffee while we continue to talk. But, again, man, Monday morning, February the 2nd. Find you somebody to love. You know what I'm saying? First start with yourself. Because that's what life is all about, man. It's about loving yourself, and you're going to make mistakes. Like I keep telling you earlier in my other video, ups and downs, smiles and frowns. You're going to have plenty of those, man. It just is what it is, man. But at the end of the day, what does it all matter, man? Oh, yeah, Obama. I want to speak on his speech the other day. Obama clowning, man. Did y'all see him at the pregame for the Super Bowl yesterday making beer in the White House? Malt liquor in the White House, man.
You're going to have it. You got to have the best. Not to have the best if you're going to have it.
Yeah, he said it was honey malt liquor or something that Michelle made. Boy, they got it going on in the White House. There's some real, I don't know if I can say this, Mama, but there's some real niggas in the White House, man. You know what I'm talking about? That part right.
We ain't talking about that what's out in the field. These are some real house ones.
These are real house niggas. I'm telling y'all think I'm crazy, man. This the one, man.
Yeah.
But it's Saturday morning, man, again. I don't know what to keep telling you. I'm going to keep on, Monday morning. I'm tripping. I don't know what to keep telling y'all except love yourself, because I'm loving me, man. I'm loving my mom. I'm loving my family. You feel what I'm saying? My life is going in a whole different direction. It is what it is, man. AZ coming up. But more importantly, Pittsburgh, don't forget, Pittsburgh Gentlemen. I'll be in Pittsburgh March 4th to the 8th. And then Chicago, Juice Next Level. I'll be there, man. My boy Juice said he's going to take care of me, man. Major shout-outs. And then we on the road, baby. AZ, LA, AZ, back to Georgia. On the ground.
Yeah. Everybody just stay prayed up. Keep your life prayed up. So when you can call your blessing down at any time. If you sit one up there, it's up there to come down. So just stay prayed up. And just always just check your surroundings wherever you are. Just know what's going on around you and about you. But love yourself, love God, and I love y'all.
Yeah, see now, I tell y'all that all the time. Y'all think this is where I get it from, man. I'm telling you, if you know us, then you have to know that we love you. We love people. We love good people. We love positive people. We love you even when you mess up, even when you make a mistake. We don't judge, man. We don't trip. It is what it is. I don't even know how to judge. I don't even know how to get mad. I don't even know how to stay mad, how to remember. I can't even remember half the stuff that we
What are you mad about?
I don't know what they be mad at.
Dogs get mad.
Who?
Dogs.
Dogs get mad?
Yeah.
What they do when they get mad?
Yeah, you know what they do? Dogs get mad, they get the foaming at the mouth. And
that's what they do when they get the foaming at the mouth?
Running around in circles and don't know where they're going and how they're getting where they're going. People shouldn't get mad. We may get angry, but we shouldn't get mad to the point to where we don't know what's going on and how, what happened. You know, it was always, I don't know what happened, but you should know.
That part right there. Again, man, morning inspiration, man. Your boy Big CLFHOHNIC.
I just want to say one thing.
What you want to say?
I just want to give a shout out to Peaches. I didn't know it was her birthday.
Oh, MC Peaches.
Happy birthday, Peaches. That's
Friday. That's your girl, MC
Yeah.
Peaches. So y'all know she crazy. If she's shouting out MC Peaches,
yes,
then you know she crazy. For real, y'all know she crazy.
Yeah, that's my girl.
Anyway, since you brought that up, we're going to shout out the whole 78 Nation. Look at that. Somebody trying to call Queen, doing my morning inspiration. Anyway, shout out to the 78 Nation, the whole entire nation, from Florida all the way up to North Carolina. You feel what I'm saying? It is what it is. This is our year. Don't forget, the anniversary is coming July. For all my FHO fans and everybody coming, get at me for the tickets. I got them. And I also got a VIP hookup for my partner that's coming. So it is what it is, man. Shout out all my rare breed partners. Yeah, Big Punchy Mama too was in the hospital, so she's feeling better. So
okay, good.
Mama Punchy, we love you.
Love you.
My boy Trey, R.I.P. ISIS, we love you. That's the one that my partner that got killed.
Okay.
I told you, we can send for you whenever you're ready to come out here and get away from all that. ISIS, we got you. So I told you that.
And Smiley, keep smiling, baby.
Keep smiling. Keep smiling.
Keep smiling. I love it.
Where is he? He in Cuba. We talked to him yesterday. Where he at?
Somewhere in Mexico or whatever.
Cuba's going.
Yeah,
that boy's a G, man.
Yeah.
A ground pounding guru.
Smiling.
You feel what I'm saying? Him and my sister Sandra. Well, there it is there, man. My man Snowman, my man Heavy.
Oh, Heavy. That's
all my partners, man. You feel what I'm saying? My man Los. Carlos Bogan, that's my partner too. Another happy birthday, late birthday. Shout out to you and the fam. And it is what it is. My boy Mo down there in Florida was handling, man. Anyway, all my family, second to none, Kings of Cali, everybody.
Did you wake up like this?
I woke up like this. Anyway, it's your boy Big CLFHOHNIC, man. Monday Morning Inspiration, get you some. We gone.